Stock number 6090 for sale by consignment at Classic Auto Mall is a 1931 Lincoln Model K Sport Touring Phaeton in barn-find condition. This roomy four-door sports a fine-running 384.8 cubic inch V8 with a 3-speed manual transmission. It has a new top, and the only glass in the car is the windshield. All four corners have 19-inch wheels with mechanical drum brakes plus leaf springs for the suspension. This diamond in the rough has a plywood floor, original seats, and is definitely a must-see piece of history. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide. Easily search for your next classic at classicautomall.com.